Yoga is a balance of holding on and letting go. Yoga is not about touching your toes. It's about what you learn on the way down. Don't go inside just because you can't go outside. Go inside because what is happening outside is a reflection of what's happening inside. Inhale, and God approaches you. Exhale, and you approach God. The body benefits from movement, and the mind benefits from stillness. Start where you are. Use what you have. Do what you can. Let your cubicle be your yoga studio. Your chair be your yoga mat. Because yoga is the journey of the self, through the self, to the self. Small gestures can have big impact. Health at your fingertips. In sound, we are born. In sound, we are healed. The knower of the mystery of sound knows the mystery of the whole universe. Yoga teaches us to cure what need not be endured and endure what cannot be cured. The nature of yoga is to shine the light of awareness into the darkest corners of the body. Attitude of gratitude is the highest yoga.